Hello, in this video we are going to discuss how do you record a screen using a software called Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, so we have already seen how we can use a software called Camtasia. So using Camtasia we have seen how to record a screen, and now let's see how to record using Screencast-O-Matic. So in two situations, Screencast-O-Matic is going to helpful for you. The number one is that Screencast-O-Matic is cheaper, so it costs you around $15 per year, and also it is freely available, but it will have a watermark of Screencast-O-Matic for free. Okay, so that also can be available in Screencast-O-Matic. And second reason why we are going to use Screencast-O-Matic is for this. So if you have a very old laptop, let's say you are having a 2 CPU dual core laptop, so in that case if you try to record using Camtasia, then Camtasia may be using all of your CPU. Okay, so in that case whatever you are scribbling and all those things may not be that good. Okay, so that means if you are an old laptop, and I have already tested, definitely for a dual core 2 CPU laptop it does not really work. Okay, using Camtasia it doesn't work. But however, it's going to work using Screencast-O-Matic, because Screencast-O-Matic is less CPU intensive. Okay, so these are two reasons why primarily we are going to use Screencast-O-Matic. And besides, Camtasia does have a lot of different features which you do not find in Screencast-O-Matic. Most importantly, there is not a lot of editing possible in Screencast-O-Matic, which can be done in Camtasia. But I think in certain extent Screencast-O-Matic might also do the job for you. Okay, so let's take a look. So here is the website called Screencast-O-Matic, and then you just go and then log in, and then if you do not have a login ID, then you can register. And then I do have a login, and then I'm going to use my login ID, and then let's see how this thing is going to work. Okay, so if you see we have something called start recording. So click on that start recording, and when you start recording, then it will load a applet. Okay, so this is the applet. This is the screen recording applet that has been loaded right now. And then a couple of things that you need to note here. Say for example, this this applet requires Java. Okay, so that means your browser should be Java enabled. Okay, so if the browser is not Java enabled, then you have to install Java, and it will give you a message whenever you click on that record button. Okay, so make sure that your browser is Java enabled. And then this is the tool that I am showing you. So if you see, this is the start recording tool, and this is the whatever you see the rectangle here, dotted rectangle, this shows which area that it should record. So to adjust this area, what I'm going to do, I'm going to basically drag this thing. So this is how I'm going to adjust. So I'm going to, so basically what does this says that this is how the area that needs to record. Okay, so now basically I'm trying to cover this black area in my screen. Okay, and then so basically just make it hide, and then if we click on this record, okay, so it's going to start recording. Okay, so now basically Screencast is recording, and it is basically also recording my audio, and then whatever the keystroke, whatever this thing I'm scribbling on top of this editor is also being recorded. Okay, so another thing that you have, you can for example, while you are recording, you find that okay, you have to some disturbances or something, you want to pause, and then just click on this. So now you are basically your thing is paused. Okay, so how do you know? See, for example, the timeline here 25.19 second is still there, and then whenever you are ready, you just can do an on. So it's now it's continuing. Okay, so now it's continuing 26, 27, 28 like this, and then again you can pause, again you can start, and so on. So yeah, so now whenever you say go, then it will then only it will start. Okay, so once you are done the recording, so you can just say that done. Okay, so now basically in this screen you can see your recording, and then what you say that if you can play this thing so that you can see what is being recorded. Okay, and then what you're going to do, you're going to go click on the video file, and then remove. Basically by default you might have show mouse hello on, so uncheck it. Okay, and then you can create a video type. Just I think MP4 is good, so click on MP4, and then you come down and then say save video. So when you save video, it will ask you where to save, and then I'm going to save, say for example in my desktop, and then this desktop is let's say video name is ABC. Okay, so it's now, it will take some time, like 5 6 8 12 14 15 whatever. So just wait for that until it is saving that video in MP4 file. And if you have a larger file, larger video for maybe 10 minutes, then it might take some time. So wait for that until it's saving. So right now my video is saved, and basically essentially what I did in my desktop, I saved this abc.mp4. Okay, so you can basically give that mp4, and that is how you can upload that thing into the YouTube or whatever. Okay, so this is what all about using Screencast-O-Matic. And again the summary, that basically first thing is that you go to the website. So basically, so go to the website and then click on record, and then record your thing. You can pause and then you can restart again, and then when you are done, you click on the done button, and then you go and then save as .mp4. Make sure that whenever you're doing this thing, you have this show mouse hello turned off. Okay, and that is all about creating a recording using Screencast-O-Matic. Thank you.